Oh, hello.
Hello again. Okay. I don't know why, but actually,
So we ended the class
of
late
course, 10, yeah,
like
of course,
10.
10 minutes, of course, later. So
Okay.
yeah, we add this 10 minutes. Okay. So let's keep going with part two. I'm typing. So your cue card on the board, just think about it, and then we will discuss. We want to make your answers. So describe sport club you belong to, or okay, or you used to belong to, and you should say what club it is when you joined and why you joined, and explain the benefits of belonging to the club. Okay, this is your cue card. You have just like a normalized task. You have 1 minute. You can think about it and then start talking.
Okay, let's start.
Well, I'm listening.
Um, Let me see the cue. Okay.
Sure.
So, today I would like to talk about a sport club that I take part in is the jogging club in my neighborhood. It's named District 6 Run Club. Yeah. Well, I have I have taken part here in this club for about 5 years, and yeah, and I was invited by some adults, like by some adults, while I was struggling away on the bath in the park which is near my home. Yeah, and there are some justifications why I uh I uh I agreed to participate in this club. Yeah, and become a this club and become a member of this running club. The firstly, um, I did firstly, I I am given a lot of I am given a lot of chances to improve my relationship network. Yeah, and I am given opportunity to meet the diversity of people, yeah, to the people, and I often share my confidence or my work, yeah, to these people. And also I have more companion companion on my jogging journey. Yeah, and um these people is helps me a lot on my not only on my work, not only on my running journey, but also is they gives me lots of like life lesson or yeah, or events to improve my well-being and my life. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is really great
Yeah,
to
very good.
become the member of this club. Yeah.
Of course, very good. Well, just let me be sure about the first word. So you said the word, did you use the word SWAT? Yes, SWAT club. You used
Oh,
it?
uh, well,
Yes.
this this trip.
Okay, I'm sorry because I was like SWAT because it was something appropriate. I was like, if I heard correctly or no. Okay, well, so that is really good. You joined and you are a member of. That was really good. So let's talk about your answer and some correction that we can make. Okay. So today's extra, you don't need to say just I'd like to talk about sport club that I'm part of. So I'm part of. This one is really good. Okay. And jogging club. So it's like something like this. I didn't get that. Just, it was sometimes you need to pay attention to the pronunciation of the words. Of course, the examiner understand what you're saying. Of course, definitely. But this is IELTS and we have to be careful about the pronunciation of the words even. And you said, so I've been a member of, yeah. Yeah, I've been a member of, you said yes, or I've taken part in something like this.
Yeah, I taken part
I've
in.
taken part in, or I've a member of. So why didn't you use I've been a member of? So I've taken part in. Because take part is take part. So if you want to make it's correct, I don't want to say that it's not correct, but why? So you can easily say that I'm a member of. So this one is better. I think maybe it's more natural. So you can say.
Okay.
And so you said another word. I don't know, maybe strolling way. Am I
Oh,
right?
strolling away.
Yeah, thrilling. So, because of say this, I was like, okay, why you're using? Because if you mean walking through, yeah, walking through somewhere, so you can easily use this because the pronunciation was a little bit odd, so I didn't get. Totally, it was really good. So you can say that, for example, just I'd like to talk about sport club that I'm a member of, and it's just this club. Okay, you can add any name. So, in my neighborhood, I like that parade. Okay, called. I like that part. And I've been a member of it, so we forget about taking part. I don't like that as it's like a little odd. So I've been a member of this club for about 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Okay, and I was actually invited. That was really good. By invited by some adults, so that was really good. While I was walking through a park near my house, like this, for example, while I was doing something, you can say. And there are a few reasons that why I decided I like that part. Firstly, no, first is okay. Just first, that is perfect. Why not? It gave me opportunity to expand my, for example, social network. Yeah, you can communicate with people, so you can expand your social network. And of course, the next reason, and you said I also feel like, yeah, comfortable sharing my thoughts, something like this. You can easily share your thought and what you think. And, of course, it's really good to build your confidence. I like this through conversations with other members. So totally your answer was good. Just, pay attention to, because you share your thought and build confidence. Here we need to actually different because you use the verb share with confidence. So you don't say, you say share my thought and build my confidence. So I need two verbs here, not one. So because I didn't hear so any verbs for confidence, so you need to use this. And actually some useful phrases that you can use. So running club or this club. So it was, and expanding my social network. I like this one. It's really good. Expand my social network. This one is really good. It can boost your score. And of course, meet people from different, diverse backgrounds, different people. So why not? You can add, you can meet people from diverse backgrounds. So why not? This one is really good and it is another booster. You can use it. And of course, you feel comfortable sharing your thought. So I feel comfortable sharing my thoughts. So this one, another booster that you can use. And of course, build confidence through conversations. I would go, oh, my caps lock is on, conversations. Okay, so I would go for this one and adding these phrases, you can easily boost your score. Okay, well, let's keep going with part 3 of speaking. As you know, the sport is different. Abstract questions, abstract answers. It's not about you. So, my first question for you is, do you think people in your country exercise enough? If not, why?
Oh well, I believe that I believe that there are a lot of individuals in my country. They are engaged in the regular physical activities on their daily Well, basis. Many elders do some like doing some doing some exercises to in order to be more flexible. Yeah, flexible. And while the youngsters doing some my while youngsters do some cardio exercises or some strenuous activities to fit their shape. Yeah, fit the shape. Yeah, and boost their metabolism. Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Well, your answer was really good. Just let me say something. If you are asked, for example, part 1 and part 3, or for example, the same questions in part related, so you are using the same words in different questions. It's good, but not too much. You know what I mean? It's like, I know this word, so I'm trying to use this. No. If you use it for part 1, don't use it for part 3. You know what I mean? Try to find another word that is better. Okay, so just like a synonym or something like this. It's like, I don't know, a tip or a trick. Like good. Like, for example, I want to use the word metabolism. That is perfect word. Why not? But I used it in part 1 and 2, or I don't want to use it again. So let's choose another one. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
let's talk about your answer. I believe that there are a lot of individuals in my country And they're engaged in the regular physical activities. I like this one. That was really good. Okay. Many people, a lot of individual in my country engage. That was perfect. You could use this phrase. Okay. And of course, a lot of individuals, because of a lot of, I don't know, I don't like a lot of with individual. It's correct, definitely correct. But I say maybe. If you want to say many, many people is okay. Yeah.
Wide range of individuals or
No, no, no.
differentiate.
Wider. No, no. Don't make it complex. No, just many people. Many people.
Okay.
Just if you want to say individuals, individuals. So a lot of people, many, a wide range of people again, if you want to use a wide range. So you can say, and they, of course, they're engaged in regular physical activities on their like daily basis. I would go for this. I like this. They engage, but they're engaged. No, just they engage. So you can use it. So you don't need to. So, and the just the regular activities, no, just regular. You don't, because they make it more specific. So you don't need to just omit it. You don't need to. You remove the regular. And on their daily basis, you said. No, their no. On a daily basis, on a daily basis. So there should be omitted. You should be removed. You don't need it here. And
Okay.
yeah, of course, you said many elders, right?
Yes.
So it's better. Elder is so formal here. Maybe a little bit, I don't know, too much here. Just say older adult. I would go for this one. Older adults. This one is better. So you don't, of course, again, is correct. Do some exercise. So it's
Like
so
we gone.
yeah.
Like we.
Yeah, of course. Like, human light. So it's okay to fit there, to stay in shape. Okay. Stay in shape is the correct one. You said to fit
Okay.
their shape. No, to stay in shape.
Yeah.
This is the correct idiom that you need to do. And well, that was good. The rest of it, perfect. So the only on a daily basis and uh, just older adult or younger people. So stay uh, flexible. I like this. Stay flexible is really good. Do cardio. I like this. And that is, and just, strenuous. So, workout, something activity that, needs more actually, like strength, and, you should be stronger to do. So I definitely would go for it. Perfect. Stay in shape, another, and justice. And booster metabolism. Perfect. Why not? That was really good. Of course, you can use it. Well, and the next one. So let me ask you another question. Do you think sports or like, maybe competition should be part of the school curriculum? So we have to do it or no?
Um, I I consider that many sport competitions should be organized in the school. Um, yeah, this extracurricular activities will give a chance to the student for a student to engage in many strenuous activities in order to improve re- their overall well-being, and it also they are given opportunities to expand their social network. Yeah.
I like it. So you're perfect, smart. Okay, well, so let's talk. Of course, step every time that you give another question, as you can see, I correct you, correct your answer after just, with just a few words. because you're using the right words, and that is really good. So you try to use new words as soon as you learn them. That is perfect, of course. And your answer was really good again. So I believe that schools should organize, okay. I consider that sport competition should be organized. That is really good. I believe that schools should organize more sport competition. Consider this one. I consider that no. I believe that. Consider no. Consider is much more common. I'm sorry. I believe that is much more common than consider. So let's just, this is spoken English. So not. I believe that school, you can change it to active. It's okay. Should organize more sport competition, as actually these extracurricular activities give students, that was really opportunity to take part in strenuous. Again, I would go for it. I like this physical activities. So I should be organized. Just, turn to active maybe is better. Will give a chance. Okay. Give students opportunity. Yeah, good one. Give students more opportunity. Engage in many strenuous activities. Take part. You can use. Why not? Physical exercise. You can use. Why not? All them. Improve their overall well-being. I love it. Why not? Why not? That is perfect. Enhance, improve both of them. And they're also given opportunities. They're also maybe provide a chance because opportunity, if you used once, so you don't want to repeat it, opportunity. So provide, they also provide, yeah, a great chance. Why not?
Yeah.
To expand their actually social networks and social circles. So why not? Both of them. So, but totally, it was really perfect. And I really, to build strong connections and, of course, to expand their social circles, social network. And I would go for it. That was perfect. Well, this time, few mistakes, fewer and fewer and fewer. Perfect. It was totally good. Well, do you have any question that you want to ask me?
No.
Okay, so we should skip this part for now. And just, I will send you a few more questions. You can think about them at home. If you want, you can make your answers. And if you have any questions, of course, you will ask me. Okay?
Okay.
Well, thank you for being perfect. Like always, thank you so much. And have a
Uh,
wonderful week.
yeah, you too.
Thank you
See
so
you.
much. Goodbye.
See
Goodbye.
you.
See you. Bye bye.